Hey, good morning traders, and welcome to the next wave trading. My name is Lester, and today I'm gonna show you this strategy for binary options. Even if you are trader beginner, the strategy that I'm gonna show you right now is for those who doesn't a long experience with trading at all or with binary options. So you're gonna add in your chart with pocket option 2 indicators. But before to start this trading session, if you want to join to my free trading channel for binary options with this strategy, use the link below in this video. On that link, you're gonna solve this. The first thing you have to do is open your account with pocket options, make your first deposit. Previously, you need to delete your cookies and cache, and after that, make your deposit. And you're gonna send me this request. And you're gonna be added to my trading room totally free. And the futures, you're gonna receive 2 indicators, free setups for your trading career. Remember, delete cookies and cache. Open your account using the link below in this video. Make your first deposit, any amount, doesn't matter how much you have to deposit, but if you want to make more money, you need to make a big deposit. After that, you're gonna send a screenshot of your ID, pocket option ID or FOREX ID too, and I'm gonna receive your details and you will be added to my trading room. So let's go to the strategy. I prefer this strategy for my trading signals group because have more simple steps to follow. And we are gonna add 2 indicators. The first one, we are gonna add the super trend. The periods for the super trend is 10 and 3. And we are gonna add to the MACD. With the MACD, we are gonna use in the fast period with 10, slow 26, and the signal period is gonna be the period 60. And we are gonna see the charts in 30 seconds or 1 minute, and we are gonna trade for 3 minutes. You're gonna change the time frame here for 3 minutes. Now, let's go to change the amount. We're going to leave it in $10 per trade. And let's go to explain how this strategy works and the simple steps. You see these bars below on this side, just looks like a volume, right? This is the bars, how it looks volume. So pretty similar, right? But let's go to explain when you're going to take the trade and when you are not going to take that fake signals. This is a fake signal, but let's go to explain why. This is a fake signal because we have these red bars below or the middle of the chart. See? Up, below. So these red candlesticks or the red bars are telling me this signal is really bad. So don't take it. But this one here, a sell signal, and we have a good volume bar going to the down direction below the chart. So it's simple like this. If you have green candlesticks up on the middle of the chart, that can be a good signal for a buy. We have a green bars up in the middle of the chart, and we have the buy signal. We trade for 3 minutes. That's it, okay? We have red bars and we receive a sell signal. We trade for 3 minutes. We have a buy signal, but the bars are below. In this case, for a buy signal, we don't take this trade. Why? Even the bars are green, are below, need to be up on this case, okay? So in this case, we receive the up signal. A little bit late for me because I'm trying to explain how it works this strategy, but we receive the up signal and we trade for 3 minutes on this direction. Trade for 3 minutes. Look at this one here, Lester. This is a good signal, but we don't see it because the bars are below. Yes, sometimes that can happen, but doesn't matter because it's one signal you don't enter. It's better don't take the trade if we are not sure and to lose money. Clear with these signals, right? We have a clear idea. Let's see what happened with this. Look at this. The signal are right here is low, so we don't trade in this case. Here is a good signal. Here is a good signal to sell. Maybe it was out of money. I don't know. Take the time to take this reverse, but maybe it was out of the money. This one, we don't trade in this signal. We have this beautiful signal too for sell. So we have more chances to make money to our last money. Okay, so we have, for example, this one here was a green, and let's say where is the middle? Here you have a 0 point, and you have these coordinates, these another numbers. So in the 0 point is gonna be the middle. That's it. Okay, simple. So we are gonna wait or search good chances to show you this example for a good trade. Maybe we can have a good chance, and we are gonna take the trade. Okay, let's go to wait. I prefer trading with 1 minute strategy. It's just I feel more comfortable when we have a 1 minute strategy for this signal. So we trade for 3 minutes, and that's it. Let's go to change for 1 minute, have more stable market, and let's go to wait. Maybe you can have a good one. Look at this one. It's a buy signal. We trade for 1 minute or 3 minutes. Let's go to see how ending this strategy for this trade right now. Follow these simple steps. Okay, look, this trade looks really good. We have the first step here is bars are up of the 0 point. Okay, we have the buy signal, and we trade for 3 minutes. So this is step 2, step 1, step 2, and step 3. Just in 3 simple steps, you can have a profitable strategy for binary options. Even if you are a beginner, this strategy is going to be simple for you. So with this type of signals, we are going to trade on my trading room. If you have doubts how to follow this strategy, just need to look again this video, and you're going to understand how simple it is follow this strategy for binary options. So just like that, guys, it's very simple. Everyone can use this strategy. We are going to trade using this strategy, trading for 1 minute time frame of the chart, not 30 seconds, because we have more aggressive market with 30 seconds. So with 1 minute, we have the time to take the trade. You have all the chances to enter in a good point with when I send the signal. So we have a good chances to make money with this strategy. So how it looks, I really hope so this video like it. Remember to join us to the private signals group. The link is going to be below in this video. All you have to do is delete cookies and cache, register, open your account, make your first deposit, send me the fill form, and I'm going to add you to my trading signals group private. So how it looks. Very simple, right? It's just very simple strategy for binary options. I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you on the next one.